game. It's a rich thing.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This one is very exciting. I've been waiting a long time for this. And let's get right into it. Right here, I got a package from Ace Jewel Creations. Hit him up right here. He does hydro dip like nothing. And he's been doing the carbon fiber overlay, so it's pretty new to him. So I sent him some engine covers to see what he can do, and I'm got him back. So I don't think that's everything. I think I need one more piece, and then but I'm still gonna put him on today and show you guys, and I'll give you my honest thoughts. So he is one of our my sponsors, so let's get into it. So right now, here's one of them. This is a carbon fiber overlaid battery cover, OEM. And then you got the carbon fiber overlaid in real carbon. We got the top right piece. And like I said, he is new to it, so I'm not gonna be super picky. But you know, since he is new, we got a few like stuff like right in that little corner. But other than that, it looks awesome. I know some parts are harder. So we got the fuse box, so this one's a little bit harder piece to do, I could assume, but we got the fuse box cover. One of my favorite pieces right here, the main manifold cover. And we will be putting on the little thing again in the emblem. And we got two of the side pillars. So here's one of them, and here is the other one. So we're gonna go ahead and basically put all this on. This one, before we do that, let's actually put the cover, because I've been waiting to put my trims back on for the longest. We actually have this piece, and we have this piece that needs to go right back on. So basically that's gonna go in like that, and then we're gonna get this put back on as well. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and super glue it, and I'll be right back. Alright, I put tape on it to hold this down while the glue dries, and I went ahead and double-sided tape this, so this is about ready. I guess we could go ahead and put all this part on, and then I'll come back, and this should be, hopefully super glue dries quick, and then we'll be able to take the tape off, and it's just hold in place. But yeah, I ended up cutting my finger. I didn't have band-aids, so I just put tape. And then yeah, we'll go ahead and put this on for now. What do you think? Anyways, we got it on. Put everything lined up pretty good. Still missing the top left piece, like I was saying earlier, and actually missing the window wiper trim cover. But other than that, it came out cool. I'm gonna put tape back on here because it's still not sticking, so hopefully one more day it'll stick. I'm gonna leave it overnight. But I think this looks so cool. Oh, my oil cap. Forgot about that. I dropped it right here. Damn, there, that looks pretty good. But yep, well, I guess we'll finish this video. Yeah, we'll see, or maybe I'll get these trim pieces soon. I've been waiting for like 6 months for these pieces already. Looks so good. not too bad, but it looks pretty damn good. I don't think it's gonna come off. I think I could just glue the edges. That's the only thing that's kind of popping up, but ooh, that looks so good. Oops, I say it looks so good. Got CJ over here. He's gonna check out the Type S rear lip, see if I want to sell it or not. And I got some Ace side skirts, so he's gonna have to follow me to my storage unit, and I'll take you guys along. Coughed up a bunch of stuff, and the Honda. I'll keep you guys updated. Yo, you're gonna have to follow me. There's no room in the car because there's a bunch of Apex parts in there. So you're gonna have to follow me. All right. It's this Herndon and Cedar, but yeah. Then I'll pull out the side skirts when I'm over there. Say, hey, what's up?
Chilling. Little Chris is here?
Yeah. All right. Well, follow me. All right, guys. We have a bunch of A-Spec side skirts, rear lip, and base A-Spec front lip, all for the 040 model. And we got two Patricks actually here. I got them actually all for about 160. All of this for 160. So I had a swoop, grabbed it. By the time you watch this video, it's probably all sold already. That's why you gotta follow Mythic Customs, Mythic_Customs_parts. That's where my parts is left over will be at. Or follow my IG at mythic.559, which is probably already shown already. That way you can keep up on some of the stuff I have. Though you can call first dibs, you can hit me up. I don't really make a list of people who are waiting for stuff. I have it posted, and if I can remember, I'll message you. But you have like about 30 minutes to respond, or else this part might get already sold. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go to my storage unit right now. Like I said, CJ is actually following me because he might pick up my Type S rear lip, just because if he gives me what I want for it, I might let it go. I might just get another one later on. I know they're hard to find, but we'll see. Or he might pick up the A-Spec side skirts if he doesn't mind the conditions on them. And I'll show you guys the conditions of all these once I get there.
I want to buy the clear corners and then redo my whole headlights and just clear corners.
Another Guernsey.
That one's off your...
This is going on a 6-speed, freshly painted. This might, if you don't get it, the fully built engine gonna drop soon. Pre-cat deletes.
You're gonna finally drop it?
Pre-cat deletes. What else I got? I got a shark mouth grill.
What? No, about that?
I'm not selling it.
No,
These are all for my car.
Oh yeah.
ATLP J-pipe.
I've been wanting the grill.
J-pipe.
Oh yeah.
Just random stuff. I got a bunch of random shit in here. But my motor, fully built motor. 3.7, everything you could think of done to it. Hopefully the shop I get, I'm gonna drop it in the next 2 weeks. Right here at Baller Tim's. You guys been telling him to get his wheels all situated so he's not mismatched, and finally we are gonna do that. We still gotta wait for his bags to come in, but we'll show you that when the time comes. We got Tim over here, and what are we doing today?
Putting on some new wheels. Not new wheels, but new wheels.
Due to him wheels. Alright, so we're gonna take the bumper off. Hopefully his car starts. You think it'll start?
Huh?
You think your car starts? Do you at least air it up one time?
It died.
Alright, well for sure we can get the back ones right now. The front ones we gotta see. And we'll keep you guys updated. We'll show you the wheels once we have it on. Alright guys, so the reason why Tim has been driving his car is because he has a big air leak on his bag. Hard to see, but my light don't work right now. He has a tear in it. We'll show you guys when we actually do the new bag install, which we're waiting. Hopefully it'll come in today. But yeah, that's why he's been driving it, but we're putting the wheels on before we show you guys. I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. Are you ready to show them?
Yeah, let's show them.
All right.
My new wheels.
We'll air it up first, all the way, both sides.
Oh, this is already aired up. Both
On the
sides.
other side too? Air up the other side to match. All right. All right, guys, we're gonna show you right now. Ooh. You recognize these wheels? You probably don't really see him too much because he's not really on the channel, but he got these from actually our buddy Kanye.
Thanks to Kanye.
Thanks to Kanye. What do you think? How you like them? I think
They
finally you got something to match, and it's
Hey,
pretty
it goes
nice.
well with the color.
Yeah, it goes well.
I like it.
Just FYI from the last video where I showed you guys his studs broke, whatever. We fixed it. I didn't record it, but we fixed it on that side over there. So he had new studs, new ball joint. He had to get I think we got a new knuckle, and yeah, that's about it really. So that side's actually fixed. It's just the fender, so, oh shit. You see, that's probably what he's probably gonna try to do today, I guess, because he wanted some stuff, so he's probably gonna do that himself, because I gotta go and help Devin. But it looks pretty mean. Well, honestly, it looks mean without the fender right now. It's how meaty those tires are.